Happy Tuesday, everybody. I'll get right to it. Yesterday I highlighted a few that did pretty well. I do want to point out the symbol is BLZE. Yesterday in pre-market, I talked about it at $1.94. It was, I believe, pushing off the 20-day moving average. I thought this one had some room to run, and it had a very good day yesterday. And checking pre-market this morning, it's having an even better day. So it's trading up near $7 a share. So anybody that caught that alert yesterday, hope you're able to jump in and make some money off of it. And you know, if so, just leave a comment on my video feed on YouTube, and I appreciate it. Nice to see the subscriptions are starting to rise, and I appreciate everybody out there that tunes in and checks out some of these plays. Not everyone's a winner, but I've had a lot of good ones lately, so let's hope it continues. So first one I want to point out is the symbol is VEEE, 607 a share about. Been pushed down by the 20-day moving average for some time now. I like plays like this when they're ready to go and they pop, they can really go. So it tested it yesterday and it pulled back, but the volume's starting to come in some. So with a little uptick in volume, if it gets through it, it can make a nice move. Usually when moving averages get popped, they trigger more buying. I see that time and again, and after that would be the 50-day moving average up around the 11.25 a share range. Not saying we're to get there, but it'd be a nice target price, wouldn't it? So keep that one on your radar. Next one is INHD. Bottom play again. I've been pointing out a few of these lately, and they've been doing pretty well. It's getting some pre-market attention here. 20-day moving average is at $5.08, and I mean, it's got a ways to run to even touch that. So if the volume continues this morning, it could make a nice move. I do like, what I'm seeing and hearing about it. So definitely keep that one on your radar. The next one is the symbol is ARBB. It broke above the 200-day moving average, and now it's got plenty of room to run. I mean, this one is another one that's getting some attention out there. I've seen when it breaks above the 200, it has a history of making sharp moves. So I think others are seeing that as well, and they're climbing aboard. So keep that one on your radar. Another one is an interesting one. It's another bottom play, LXEH. Closed about $1.05 a share. I've been seeing a lot of after-hour buying, and even this morning I've been seeing some, and then it pulls back. I like this one in the $1 to $1.05 range. I wouldn't chase it, in my opinion. The gap in between the bid and ask has been kind of wide at times. I hate to see anybody get caught, but I think in the $1.05 range, I think is a nice spot to pick up some shares and see if it can make a move. A couple more on my radar is VNRX. It's trading pretty much right at bottom at $2.39 a share. Once again, another bottom play. The 20-day moving average is right around 301. I think if it can get up to about the 355, 360 range with some buying pressure and pop that, it could make a run to that. Not saying it will, obviously, but it's starting to show the bottom, I believe. It's starting to get a little support down in the 239 range, and so just keep that one on your radar as well. Another one I've highlighted, which yesterday started seeing some nice buying before it had a slight pullback, was the symbol is GOAI. It's EVA Live. The moving averages are really tight. I love plays like this because when you get the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving averages all pretty much lined up, and if it can pop above them, it can trigger extreme, strong buying. So definitely keep that one on your radar. I was testing $4 yesterday, which is great, and I believe the 200-day moving average is $4.36. So if it can get up there and make a move above it, it could make a real nice move. So definitely keep that one on your radar as well. So I guess that's all I have for now. I'll definitely be checking in later. Hope everybody has a great trading day, everybody, and see you soon.